Welcome to Instant Cooking. Today we are making instant curry. For this we need 100 grams of bhujia sev. If you don't have bhujia sev, then take any other Indian snacks. 150 grams of curd, salt to taste, turmeric powder, red chilli and curry leaves. For this, first put 100 grams of bhujia sev in a grinder and grind it. Add 150 grams of curd and make a thick batter. Now add water, around 500 ml of water, and make a thin batter. Now in a pan or a kadhai, take 2 teaspoons of refined oil, add quarter teaspoon of fenugreek seed, cook it till fenugreek seed is brown. Now add half a teaspoon of mustard seed and let it crackle. Now add half a teaspoon of cumin seed, add curry leaves for flavoring and 4 to 5 red chilli, whole red chilli. Add quarter teaspoon of turmeric and half teaspoon of Kashmiri red chilli powder. Now add our batter in the kadhai. If you think your batter is too thick, then add little water. Now on a high flame, cook it for 2 minutes, stirring continuously. Now add salt to taste, but remember, bhujia contains salt too, so add lesser salt. Let it boil till the oil separate. Mix it well and your instant curry is ready.